G'day viewers. Today we're going on with our series on solar maintenance, repair and service, particularly in relation to your warranty. Now what we've found at Solar Doctor Savers here over the years is a lot of people are on the mistaken belief that if they don't ever maintain their system and then something goes wrong with it, then the manufacturers will honour their warranty. Well, that's not the case in a lot of instances. If you look at the warranty documentation from a lot of manufacturers of panels and inverters, they clearly state that if you do not maintain, service and look after your system, then that will void the warranty. So you're not in the situation that you're stuck with a system that has a fault and then you can't get warranty for it. Please maintain your system and make sure it's regularly serviced, maintained and repaired. That's it from me, Solar Doctor. Thank you.